people of Manipur, especially the Meitei communities, is all set to observe Ima Imoinu Iratpa 2020 today. As a part of the occasion, every Meitei households in the state seek blessings from Ima Imoinu for abundance of food and prosperity throughout the year. Assam's Dhubri police have arrested 5 persons and solved a case of robbery within 24 hours of the crime. According to media reports, the dacoity was committed along National Highway 31 in Dhubri district. The miscreants have not only looted their money and other valuable articles but also attacked the commuters with sharp weapons, causing grievous injury to one of the commuters. The district administration of Eastern Assam Sibsagar have issued some restrictions at the Pani Dihing Wildlife Sanctuary. Through an order, the district administration has prohibited picnic, illegal fishing, hunting, littering and playing of loud music in entire Pani Dihing Bird Sanctuary area. The torch rally of the 3rd Khelo India Youth Games 2020 reached Haflong yesterday. As per media reports, an event was organized by the Dima Hasao District Sports Officer at NL Daula Pugu Sports Complex in Haflong to receive the torch.